Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards now. We have Ten of Suns in reverse, Fool in reverse and Ace of Spheres. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work situation or it may be in this relationship. Today, maybe in your situation, you have a lot of things going on, maybe in your work or it may be your circumstance in this relationship. You feel stuck or you feel lost. You don't know which way to go or what to decide or what to do. So some kind of lack of clarity today, and you are confused what to decide or what to do. And maybe the reasons, maybe you don't want to do anything wrong, you don't want to make any mistake, maybe, guys. That may be the reason you are just waiting for that clarity or waiting to make the right choice. And maybe for some reason you have a tiredness. Maybe you have faced a lot, seen a lot in the past few days, and you are worried about your situation and you don't know which way to go or what to do. Some kind of aimlessness, or you feel stuck or confused, maybe, or some kind of distractions may also be there. Maybe you are tired or you have a sickness or there is someone close to you who is sick, so that may be distracting you. So some kind of an obstacle you are facing today, guys. But Cancers, you need not worry. You have the right people with you today. Maybe you have friends or family members who are here to help you today, guys, help you out of this difficult situation. So there may be a friend reaching you or seeing you in this difficult situation, coming towards you to help you. Maybe may not be financially, but even then with support and guidance, and that is going to strengthen you greatly, guys. A positive influence is going to take us a long way in our life. So that is what is going to happen today for you guys, Cancers. And you are going to see your situation changing. This positive influence is going to change and you are going to see success and prosperity and better opportunities in your life today, and you are going to feel really lucky and you are going to come out of this difficult situation, guys. So no more difficulties today in your situation, and you are going to see success and prosperity in your life good today, guys. And good luck is working for you, Cancer. So you may be in a difficult situation, but you are going to come out of it very soon, guys, Cancers. So it may be you may be getting some positive news in your work, maybe a beginning of a new project, or certain things may get moved towards completion. So the projects or deals, whatever was delayed, is going to reach completion. So some kind of a positive progress you are going to see today in your situation, guys. So all those difficulties you are facing is going to change today, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards and 2 crystals here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the card for y'all today. It is Fairy Ointment, the Sight. So for those who chose this card, it just means that you are someone who is really sensitive. You are really special. Maybe for some of you, you have special intuitive skills and you know what that person feels truly. You can understand their emotions, and maybe in any situation you may have you may hint at the future of that circumstance or that person. So some kind of intuition, or you may have a positive insight into the future or whatever is supposed to unfold in your life or in that person's life. But you should be also very careful, guys, with this kind of sensitivity or skill. You should not be open about your gifts. You should be quiet. You should not tell each and everyone that you have your intuition working in the right way and you will be able to predict or you will be able to sense something when it is happening. So you need to understand that you cannot speak openly about these gifts. Maybe you can talk about it to the true friends you have, maybe someone you are really close, very close with, and you with whom you feel really reliable friendship, trustworthy friend. So to that person you can reveal about the gifts you have, but to others you should not be open and you should use discretion, guys. It is for your own welfare, and you should speak wisely. You should not reveal that you have such an insight or intuition guiding you or helping you, and you can speak what you feel or what you think only when people ask you your suggestions or guidance. Other than that, you should not come out voluntarily telling them how they should do or what they should do. So that is going to land you in some difficult situation, guys. So you just have to be quiet till then. So that is the guidance here. So maybe today you may have clarity regarding some situation. You may see that this is the right thing to do for someone, but until and unless that person asks you what should be their reaction or what should be their choice, you should not give them any guidance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card and the second crystal, guys. So let's see what is the card. It is Jade, and it is the Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the guidance is that in our situation today, so let it be in our work situation or in our personal life, in this relationship, so we need to be with people who always bring out the best in us, guys. So we need not be perfect. We are all not perfect, and we all make a lot of mistakes. So today, the affection you have towards the people in your life, can bring them close to you. And maybe sometimes some people, they just put us down. They keep saying that we are not good enough, or we don't have talents enough or skills enough. That may be true, but still, when you have someone speaking negatively to you, it is going to make you even more even less capable of achieving some things. So even if we don't have the skills and talents, when people appreciate us, when they encourage us, it is going to bring out the best in us, guys. So we need to be with the people who always encourage us and who helps us to bring out the best of our skills and talents and abilities outside. So we should be in the company of such people. So maybe in your situation, you really like someone, but this person may be criticizing you always, so judging you maybe. So you should try and avoid this person's company and be with people who appreciate your skills. Maybe your skills may be limited, or you may not have skills like them, but still, when they appreciate and encourage you, speak positively, it is going to have a positive impact on you, and it is going to change the way things are in your life today, guys. And you should treasure these friends who bring out the best in us. So that is the reading with this card, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.